Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create progress donut chart in Microsoft Excel. For example, project progress is 40% and I want to calculate the remaining progress. Just type here simple formula, type is equal to 100% minus project progress percentage. Just select this cell and press enter. It will calculate the remaining progress. Now select the percentages because I want to create a donut chart. Just go to the insert and here is a option other charts and here is option donut chart. Just click here. Now remove the legend. This is a legend and just click here and delete it. Now I want to change the color of project progress and remaining progress color. Just click 2 times here, just click 1 time and click second time and change the color light green. And I want to change the progress remaining color. Just click here 1 time and click second time and change the orange color. Now I want to display the percentage here. Just insert the text box by clicking insert and here is the option text box. And here I will use the formula. In formula bar, type is equal to and select the project progress and press enter. It will display the percentage here. Now increase the font size and change the color light green and remove the outline border. Just click no outline. Now it will display the progress. If I change it to 50% and press enter, it will display the 50% progress. If I type here 80%, it will display the 80% progress and remaining is 20%. That's way you can create the progress donut chart in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.